In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut video in Canva. Cutting or trimming a video in Canva is a simple process, but it helps to understand exactly what's happening so you can get precise, clean results. Whether you're removing unwanted parts from the beginning, the middle, or the end of your clip, the basic idea is the same. You'll use Canva's cut tool to select only the portion of the video you actually want to keep. Start by opening your project in Canva and making sure your video clip is on the timeline or on the main canvas. If you haven't added it yet, drag your video onto the design so you can see it clearly. Once it's selected, look above the canvas for the video editing options. Among those controls, you'll see a small icon that represents cutting or trimming the video. This is often shown as a scissors icon. Click on that cut icon above your video. When you click the cut icon, Canva will open a more detailed view of your video, usually at the bottom of the screen as a timeline, or along a scrub bar. Here you'll see the entire length of your clip from start to finish. You can press play to preview it and move the playhead to the exact spot where you want your edit to begin or end. To remove unwanted sections at the beginning or end, click and drag the edges of the video on the timeline inward. As you drag, you'll see the duration change, which helps you trim to the exact second. Take your time here and use the preview to check that you're not cutting off anything important, like the start of a sentence or the end of a movement. If you want to cut out a section in the middle, move the playhead to the point where the unwanted part begins and use the split or cut option that appears. Then move to the point where that unwanted section ends and cut again. Now you can select the middle piece and delete it, leaving two clips that sit neatly together. Play it back to make sure the transition feels natural. When you're happy with your cuts, click Done or Apply, depending on what Canva shows, to return to your main design. From there, you can continue editing, add text, music, or other elements, and finally download or share your finished video.